Bonjour, my name is Hung Taivan, and as president of the 36th World Congress of Audiology in Paris, I am delighted to co-organize a workshop dedicated to the assessment of auditory processing disorder. For more than 20 years now, our group here in Europe has maintained the same interest in the clinical evaluation of auditory processing disorder. Professor Bagno, it's up to you.
Bonjour. I am delighted to participate in this workshop with long-term friends and collaborators with whom we've been working over several years to promote the field of auditory processing disorders. We hope to see you in this workshop. We'd like to give you some basic understanding of how to approach the assessment of the individual with suspected auditory processing disorder, how to think holistically, how to think about additional assessments. Over to you, Professor Helen Grech.
I have special interest in neurodiverse conditions and those with multilingual exposure. Do join our APD workshop to receive updated knowledge and state-of-the-art training to identify APD. I will be focusing on the linguistic tests to be administered for differential diagnosis. Looking forward to seeing you there within the global network of audiology. Professor Iliadou, in your hands.
So do not miss this workshop of the European APD group. We are very enthusiastic about it. If you are thinking this is controversial or this is way out of what I do, think again. Pure tone audiometry is not enough as acknowledged by WHO. So join this workshop to learn when to consider auditory processing evaluation in the clinic and which tests to include. Be present and learn.